AirOps AI. Are you still wasting hours on repetitive tasks or juggling multiple tools to manage your digital workflows? What if you could automate complex processes, create custom AI apps, and scale your business operations, all without writing a single line of code? That is what AirOps is designed to do. This AI platform makes building, scaling, and deploying AI-powered workflows and chat agents simple, even for non-technical users. With its drag-and-drop workflow builder and pre-made templates, you can set up advanced automation in minutes. AirOps supports over 40 large language models, including GPT-4, Claude 2, and Stable Diffusion XL. This means you can combine text, audio, video, and image processing to create sophisticated AI solutions tailored to your exact needs. Its built-in memory stores act as a vector database, providing your workflows with contextual knowledge during runtime, so your AI can respond accurately and stay relevant. Quality control is a key focus. AirOps includes human-in-the-loop checkpoints, ensuring that critical steps in your workflows can be reviewed by real people for accuracy and safety. For businesses that require security, features like single sign-on, personally identifiable information protection, and private AI model usage make it enterprise-ready. Whether you are automating SEO tasks like keyword research and content gap analysis, publishing directly to WordPress or Shopify, or creating AI assistants to handle customer interactions, AirOps streamlines the process. Its versioning and logging tools also make tracking performance and iterations effortless. For marketing teams, content creators, or operations managers, AirOps provides a powerful way to enhance productivity without relying on multiple disconnected platforms or expensive development teams. Call to action. Stop letting repetitive tasks slow you down. Try AirOps today and see how easily you can create AI-driven workflows and applications that save time, reduce costs, and scale your business.